So we have a 63 Chevy Corvette, and then I saw this BMW Mission Impossible new pop culture. Let's see if there's anything else. It's just Back to the Future. Let me go ahead and check the other peg to see if they have one. It's blocked. I don't know why they keep blocking this. Let's see what they have. Looks like they have new stuff here. Let me go and dig in. There's the main line. Okay, let me get through to this. Seeing the new BRZ. This is the L case. Let's go through this together. So this is an L case. Get the new Dark Horse Mustang. You have the new Buick, new color, blacked. Again. New Batman Skyline. So we have here Volkswagen again. Cuda, King Cuda. Another Fantasy. Got my fingers crossed I might not see anything in here. Get the Super B, one of my favorites. Mustang. And a new Ford Escort. I don't know why people put this here. Another Super B. Another dud. You have an Audi milk truck. Ooh, Dodge Viper. Oh, mainline. Deadpool. That's it. That's all we have. Nothing else. All right. That's all I saw. Ooh, we're finding the Koenigsegg. We just found the Koenigsegg. Cool. We found the Supra. So what's in here? The Supra 240 SX. Let's find the 240 SX. Let's go. Koenigsegg again. See, can we find the 240 SX? Oh man, it's not here. I thought this was a chase. Because it was black. Oh no. Let's go search the other pegs. Let's go. We have a lot of Mercedes. Let's check this out. What is this? C case? What the heck is there a C case? Huh. The 240 SX is gone. Let's go check here. See if there's any cool thing to find. Oh, C case. It's not super. Yep. Nothing. Alright, let's go check. Let's see, any action figure. And that's a Superboy right there. What the heck is this? Red Hood? Huh. Card is messed up. Alright, let's find out more stuff. Let's see if we can find the Porsche. There's no Porsche. Alright, no Porsche. Let's go check the other stores. Looks like we have a modified front end of a Porsche Cayman. Yeah, it looks like they've already extended the... Ooh, that thing's messed up. They've already modified the front end, and they've included the rear spoiler for this. So this one is a Cayman S. Nothing special, just cross-drilled brakes, original brakes. Yep. Looks like they've already modified the front end. We're spotting a classic Ford Mustang. So it's like it's a pony. Classic Ford. The 5-pack. Wow, look at that. We have a back-to-back modified cars. There's a Chevy here that's on a camo. That's crazy. On the way to Dollar Tree. Looking for cars. Of all places. Finding cool cars. Okay, so we went inside Dollar Tree, and it looks like they didn't restock. So this one is a G case. All I'm seeing is looks like it's been raided, or they haven't restocked yet. I don't see anything new. I don't see anything new. All those left is this exclusive Dollar Tree Silverado. Yep, nothing here. Off to the next store. Oh, let's see. No Integra. Yep, no Integra. Yeah, I gotta look at this truck again. It's like a camo Minecraft kind of design, kind of a car. Looks like you've got mismatched rims. Got a mismatched rim right next to a classic Ford Mustang. A Chevy. Yep. Oh, this one's a classic car. Ford Classic. Pony Mustang. I'm not kidding. I'm finding an F40 in this dump bin. Finding a Honda Civic. Well, nobody's picking this up. The black Porsche. Another black Buick Riviera. Oh, I forgot. This is L case. Let's see. You have a main line. You have the Dark Horse from L case. A Mustang. You have a Land Rover. Audi. Okay, that's it. There's a lot of okay, this one's cool casting. The Blazer, custom Blazer, a Civic. Ooh, this one's a cool BRZ, Subaru, Subi. Okay, the subford Cortina, we just opened this. Oh, Ducati, it's the main line. Man, oh, another Ferrari. What? Did they just drop this? Where's this, an L case? Cool. I can't find the cool stuff. This is custom Ford. Batman. What? Ferraris are not getting picked up. This is the Competizione. McLaren. No, it's not on the stage. Oh, we love that. The Super B. What else do we have here? It's like an Alfa Romeo. Ooh, another Civic. There's another Super B. That's it. They're all mainline. Nothing but mainline. Sucks. Alright. That's all we found in the dumping. We did find a treasure hunt for the L case. So this is the treasure hunt right there. So we did find one from this dumping. Special mention is this F40. We found it in here, in this dumping. And we found another Koenigsegg. This Koenigsegg fooled me. I thought it was the Chase. Thinking it was black. Okay, I thought I saw something cool, and we are now. I thought this was a Chase. The Chase piece is this guy, but it doesn't look like it's wet. Looks like it's just a main line. It's just a main line. It doesn't have the wet look paint on them. So I thought I saw something cool going through this, which is this guy. First time seeing it. What the heck? Dom's Chevrolet. What is this supposed to be? It's not here. It's not on the list. But it's nice. Talk about finding something incomplete. It's not bad. Then you have the Toyota GR. Toyota Supra GR. But this one I thought was cool. Chevrolet Fleetline. The front end is missing. I'm gonna check out why this thing is, this is the first time I'm seeing this. So let's go ahead and research it. Checking out the 1, 2, 3, 4, 8-pack Matchbox to see if there's anything nice on this 8-pack. I found the Porsche. This one is the police. That one's a truck. And those are just trucks. The only thing nice about that one is this 8-pack. What else do we have? The Lambo is becoming a peg warmer. Countach, there's a lot of them. Yep, that's it. Okay, so we're gonna check the price on this guy here at Target. Oh, 15 bucks. And they're being sold at 80 bucks. That's crazy. For this? Wow, that's a markup. It's a big markup.